Thank you, Brian. Hello, I'm Todd Olmstead, Product Line Manager for Continuous Thermal Processing here at Marlen. Today, I'm welcoming you all to the Solution Center in Riverside, Missouri. We enjoy a 10,000 square foot solution center that we do regular testing at, and we hope to see you here soon. Today, we're going to be talking about surface treatment in this particular demo. So Marlen is known as the global leader in surface treatment due to our large amount of portfolio options and technologies. Um, and we'll touch on two of those today that we're going to be doing some tests with. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is some flame grill tests. We're going to be doing some different vegetables, some chicken breasts, some meatballs, so you can see how the direct flame technology imparts certain characteristics to those products and your products in the future. So this particular model is a 12 burner, 24-inch wide belt flame grill with a preheater for top and bottom bar marks. This would typically be in line with a tall mini oven or a medium compact oven. So the direct flame technology, which is the most popular technology for domestic American customers, will impart significant flavor, the grilled flavor, and color, charred highlights, most popular to the American palate. Okay, so it's typically a very fast process prior to a cooking or blanching step. Residence times of about 15 seconds to a couple of minutes for most products. All of these flame grills also come standard with one of our bar markers. So we have our bar marking options here. You can see the horizontal lines for a formed product, the traditional floating rings, your diamond brander, and then for a pan-fried look, we have our solid brander. And of course, we can have all of our surface treatment solutions set up for a belt that would be ideal for your application, whether that be a mesh, a wire, or a rod. Okay. The second technology that we're going to be demonstrating for you today is our gas infrared technology. And the specific unit that we're going to be testing on is manufactured in our Vern, Belgium facility. The gas infrared technology will operate around 2,000 degrees potentially in the product zone in comparison to about 850 degrees for the flame grill. The major difference between the infrared and the direct flame is the amount of flavor that it imparts to the product as well as the color development. So the color development in an infrared or of a radiant heat will be more uniform. So if you want to get consistent color development across the surface of your product for browning and accelerate that Maillard reaction, the infrared will be what you'd want to go with. The one thing that limiting factor with the gas infrared is that you can only have burners on the side and on the top. But of course, here at Marlen, we have the ability to put, both infrared on top, gas on the bottom. So many different custom solutions at anything from sizes of 12 inches wide up to 60 inches wide. We are now in the test kitchen with Chef Justin, and we're going to be setting some chicken breasts in through our gas infrared. We currently have the set points, the cabinet temperature at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, our burner intensity at 75%. We're moving at 8 feet per minute, giving us a residence time of 25 seconds. Our belt position is set to 3.25 inches away from the burners. So the high temperature intensity will activate any browning agent or accelerate the Maillard reaction in your proteins, as you'll see here on these chicken breasts, in a very brief time. Typically, we position these surface treatments for a product like this prior to a cook step for optimal yield, because the energy contributed to the browning process will contribute to that finished internal core temperature, jump starting your cook. As you can see, the color development on these chicken breasts is a nice radiant brown, golden brown color, different than we've seen on the flame grill. Alrighty, here we have all beef meatballs. We're going with a 6 feet per minute speed, giving us a residence time of 33 seconds. Conveyor height is 3.25 inches from the burners. Our cabinet temperature is 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and our burner intensity is set to 75%. As you can see, the radiant heat provided by the gas infrared gives you a consistent color and consistent browning across the width of the belt, giving you consistently perfect meatballs. Here we have a lovely vegetable medley prepared by Chef Justin, consisting of peppers, tomatoes, mushrooms, onions, zucchini, squash. The surface treatment does a fantastic job on vegetables and proteins alike. Our current residence time is 31 seconds. We're traveling at 6.25 feet per minute at a belt height of 3.25 inches from the burners. Cabinet temperature is 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and we are at 75% burner intensity. As you can see, the radiant energy provided by the infrared gives a consistent browning effect across the width of the belt again here with the vegetables, adding some color and also bringing out and activating that flavor in the vegetables. Here we've moved over to the flame grill where we're going to sear and bar mark various products. Everything from beef, seafood, and pork products are demonstrated here. The flame grill utilizes a direct flame technology, which gives a wonderful flavor development to various types of products. It's a preferred method of surface treatment for American customers, as we Americans typically prefer more of a charred flavor profile. Here are your New York strip steaks coming out of the flame grill after 40 seconds. Here we have some pork chops going through the flame grill for 40 seconds. This is the last of our products going through the flame grill demonstration today. Here we have a table of all various products, proteins, vegetables, seafood, bakery products that were prepared on the Marlen equipment. Thank you so much for joining us today for this demonstration. We look forward to seeing you in Riverside.